So I thought I'd do my first video on this channel about the process that Daniel from Coin helped you outlined on using E-Z-EST to conserve, clean, dip, whatever your nomenclature, coins. I picked this American Silver Eagle because obviously it's seen better days, heavily toned. It was a coin I received in my youth, and obviously it was just kind of put in storage and didn't think anything about it until recently. So I thought it would be a good test candidate for this. So basically, Daniel outlined putting the coin in the solution in a container with this tray you can pull in and out, just because it's plastic and it won't interact with the metal of the coin. You can see the tarnish coming off. Yeah, you can see the tarnish that came off so far. But he then recommended very gently with a rubber glove, just very slowly, very lightly rubbing your finger across both sides of the coin. Now, the gloves I had, unfortunately, were the kind that were textured on the fingertips, so it kind of got in the way of me feeling the surface of the coin. So I kind of just used my best judgment as I could, and just kind of kept rinsing it until I thought it was clean. Once I got to that point, I took it off and I patted it dry, again as per the steps that Daniel outlined. You can see there's a very drastic difference just in the whole look of the coin. Again, I didn't expect it to do any miracles, but it did remove the vast majority of the toning. You can still kind of see a little bit on there. It's kind of hazing up. I also probably should have taken this glove off and used my actual hand, but you can see the hazing there on the reverse a little bit better. And then, yeah, there it is. You can see it on the obverse now. But overall, I mean, the visual appeal is a lot better to the coin. I mean, it's just going to end up being one I throw in the album with my for my son and I in our coin collecting. But you know, a decent result overall. I also did a Franklin, a 1958 Philly that was already in good condition. But I thought I'd test it, and you can see there's some scratches on it. But I did this one with no gloves, so I could get a better feel on the coin. And I still think that if you look above the 1958 on the obverse, that there's still a little bit of milk spots that I honestly don't think were there before. Yeah, here you go. Before I attempted the dip. So, yeah. But otherwise, I mean, the coin looks good. I mean, it's nothing special anyway. It's just, again, either going to get sold or go on a book. But hopefully I can do another video with some coin roll hunting. I'm really wanting to get into that. But the banks down here in Florida aren't letting us get any coins. So go ahead and throw your comments, click subscribe and like, and let me know what you think.